In BNSS, certain changes are introduced with regard to provisions of appeal and revision. So here I am discussing those changes in BNSS which were not there in CRPC. First one is that no appeal when imprisonment awarded by High Court is not exceeding of imprisonment of 3 months. So if the High Court provides, it is provided under section 417 of BNSS, and it says that convicted person cannot file an appeal against decision of High Court if a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 months or fine not exceeding 1000 rupees or both is awarded. In such a case, no appeal can be filed against the order of High Court. So earlier in CRPC it was 6 months, but now it has been reduced down to 3 months. So this is a change in the provision of appeal. Now a new provision with regard to appeal by central government has been introduced. So under section 418 subsection 2, it is provided that central government is empowered to file an appeal against a sentence on the ground of inadequacy when the investigation was done by an agency under central act other than BNSS. So when the investigation is done by the investigating authorities under any act which is a central act and that is not BNSS, so the central government in such a case where the sentence has as per the in the opinion of the central government is not adequate, then in that case the central government can order public prosecutor to file an appeal. This provision was not there in CRPC, so this is a new provision, and same provision under section 419 of subsection 2. The central government again can direct a public prosecutor to file an appeal when the accused is acquitted. And the same provision is there that when the investigation was done under a central act by any agency under central act. So this is same provision for acquittal. So this provision of directing the public prosecutor to file appeal when the investigation is done under a central act by an agency under central act, then it can direct the public prosecutor to file an appeal, was not there in CRPC. This is a new provision. Again, then there is a provision subsection 4 of section 415, and it is provided under this provision that an appeal filed against a sentence passed for various categories of offences of rape. So those are provisions under BNS. These provisions of the categories of rape provided under those provisions, and it mandates that the such appeal should be disposed of within 6 months from the date of filing of such appeal. So it is a clear deadline which was again not there in CRPC. Now section 415 subsection 4 mandates for its disposal within 6 months from the filing of appeal. So these are the changes under the provisions of appeal. Thanks for watching. If video was informative, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.